Oh, what a great problem this is. Chapter 9, number 6, review for our test. The thing I like about this problem is it kind of, again, captures the big idea of what we've been doing for a good chunk of the chapter. So we have this quadratic. Let's just get an idea of what's going on. We have this quadratic. I'm not sure exactly what it looks like, but I do know that it opens up and it doesn't factor. So anyway, let's just give us any old quadratic, okay? And we want to find the slope. We want to find the equation of the tangent line at the point 429. So if I go over 4, not drawn to scale, so this is 429. So if I draw my tangent line at that point, I want to find the equation of that line. Okay, well, this is a line. In Algebra 1, you knew how to find the equation of a line, y equals mx plus b. Well, we're going to take it to a little bit further. We're not going to use y equals mx plus b. We're going to use y minus y1 equals our slope times x minus x1. Well, I already give you x1 and y1. You just need to find m. So I know that my y1 is going to end up being 29. My x1 is going to be 4. And so you have to find the slope. Well, how do I find the slope of a tangent line? Yup, you are correct. We are going to have to find IROC. So IROC gets us the slope of the tangent line. Tangent line. Okay, so, well, what do I find the slope from? Well, I asked you to find the equation of the line at the point 429. So I know that one of my values that I'm going to have to find is f of 4. What is the other one? Well, remember, we want to keep getting closer and closer and closer to that x value of 4. So we're going to do 4 plus h. Okay, keeping all that in mind, let's do the grunt work. We need to find f of 4. So f of 4 is going to be 4 squared plus 3 times 4 plus 1. 4 squared is 16. 16 plus 12 plus 1. So 16 plus 13 is 29. So then we need to find f of, and let me just work my way this way. So we need to find f of 4 plus h. Which will be 4 plus h quantity squared plus 3 times 4 plus h plus 1. Expanding 4 plus h quantity squared, we're going to get 16 plus 8h plus h squared. And let's distribute that 3. So we're going to have 12 plus 3h plus 1. And guys, I don't need these parentheses, so we're going to drop those. Combine like terms. So we're going to have 12 plus 16 is 28 plus 1 more is 29. Let's start with our h squared plus 11h plus 29. Okay, so now we're ready to find our AROC, which is h squared plus 11h plus 29 minus 29 all over h. 29 minus 29 is 0. And we have, let's factor an h out of that numerator right away. We're going to have h plus 11 all over h. And so now I'm ready to find IROC, which will get us the slope of the tangent line. So let's find the limit as h approaches 0 of h plus 11, so 0 plus 11. So my slope is 11. All right, writing the equation, we're going to end up with, going back to y minus y1, so it's going to be y minus 29 equals my slope, which is 11 times x minus 4. And then let's add that 29 to the other side. So it's going to be 11 times the quantity, x minus 4 plus 29. Okay, we could distribute that 11 and combine like terms, but it is not necessary. And that is number 6.